Hey guys, Ride Pro back again, another bike for sale. Today we have another Goldwing Trike, 2003 Champion Trike kit, silver in color. Good tires on the bike. Super clean. This bike only has 15,000 miles. 15,000 miles. Very, very clean bike. Little scratch right here, nothing major. All the stock foot controls there, AM, FM radio, CB, cruise control, the usual stuff on the Goldwing. 15,093 miles. 15,093 miles. It's all in nice shape here. The only downside so far that I've seen is that the seat has a tear in it. Right there. About 2.5 inches. Someone probably had something sharp in their pocket when they sat down and they cut it. Also another little chip right here in the fender. You can barely see it from 3 feet away. Another little scuff right here. These Trike kits are known to kind of get beat up around the edges there a little bit. This one is probably a strong 8.5 out of 10, maybe a 9 out of 10. It's very clean. Nice color here. I like the silver. Could do a lot with it. We had one similar to this that had black wheels, and it looked really nice. Another little scuff right there. Nothing serious. Maybe a little buff there. And another little mark right here. Again, all very, very minor, superficial stuff. I guess the main thing that probably matters on these bikes is going to be condition all the way around and miles, right? So this bike's got 15,000 miles. As Goldwing riders know, this bike's not even broken in. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it started. As always, if you guys have any questions regarding shipping or getting this bike to your home, whether you're out of state or even in state, we have discounted shipping rates available. They start at $300, goes up from there depending on your location. Left it in gear. All right. Bike runs great.
Cheese, tangy sauce over Angus beef.
Radio works well. Stock, quiet. Really nice Goldwing here. There it is, guys. 2003 Goldwing Trike, Champion Trike kit. Available in Tampa, Florida. We have discounted shipping rates available. Or you can also fly into Tampa Bay International. We'll pick you up and you can ride her home. The bike's been serviced here. Got a nice slipstream windshield. All in all, it's a clean machine. Ready for its next owner. Our website's www.myridepro.com, myridepro.com, and our phone number is 813-615-1700. As always, thank you for watching this. Any questions, please call us.